All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HUC High Universal Course. So guys, look at this hair. I want to show us how to cut 3-step. A lot of people don't know what 3-step is. 3-step is, don't confuse yourself. Watch this video from beginning to the end and make sure you share this video, like, comment, and don't forget to follow us for more. 3-step is simply means the first guideline is going to be on skin level. The second guideline is going to be on low cut level, either last low cut or normal low cut. Then the punk, you barb the punk. That is what they call 1, 2, 3. Some person will see high fade because of it has a fade that looks like after the skin you see another fade, then the bigger head. They will call it 3-step. Don't stop confusing yourself. Customer, anytime customer comes to your shop and tell that he wants 3-step, first explain to him, look at what 3-step is. Not that you just start cutting and the person may say that you don't know how to cut. So 3-step is simply the first guideline here, round, is going to be skin. Can you see it? It's going to be skin. From here to it's going to be skin. Then from here to here, round again, is going to be on low cut level, either last low cut or normal low cut. Then this up one is going to be use your step to arrange it the normal punk you want. Then when you count it 1, 2, 3, that is what they call 3-step. Do you understand? Stop confusing yourself. So what is going from beginning to the end? Let's dive into it. Let me show you the practical aspect now. Do you understand? Let me show you the practical aspect. So the first guideline is going to be skin. Set your blade on skin level by joining the blade together. Bring the gear up. You texture it. You can raise your hand upward. You follow like this. Can you see what I'm doing? Sorry guys. Texture it very well. Follow it accordingly. It's going to be on round. Watch it very well. Stop confusing yourself. It's not every barber that will come and explain all these things. Make sure you like, comment, and share, please, and follow us for more. If you are learning anything, benefiting anything from my page, please do well to like, comment, and share, and follow for more. So after you have created the first guideline, look at it. After you have created the first guideline, the second guideline now, this is the first step. The second guideline, which is going to be on low cut level. Then depending on how the person normally cuts his own low cut, if the person wants it to be normal low cut, you turn your hand like this, put it on low cut level. You turn your hand like this and you blend it front. But if the person doesn't want it like this, or maybe the person wants you to bring the head down again, that is what we call last low cut. You turn your hand like this. It's still on low cut though. You turn your hand like this. You carry it like this. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? You carry it like this. Make sure that anytime you are creating any guideline, always keep the blending space, because if I should take it to this level now, if I'm blending it, it will turn to all those small children pumps. So you are going to create a blending space for it. Can you see what I'm doing? Make sure you brush it. This is last low cut. See the way I carry it backward. Then after this now, are you seeing it? After this now, there is line between here and here. You clean the line, close the blade a bit, use the edge to clean it. Can you see what I'm doing? You clean the line. So I don't want this video to be too long. That is why I'm kind of a little bit fast. Can you see it? Now, after you have removed it, after you have removed the line finish, can you see it? Then the third one, which is going to be the 3-step, that will show the punk. You put it on your step 1. Why I'm putting it on step 1 is because here is not too much, it's not too bushy, it's not too high. Then you turn it like this. Sorry guys, I want you to see very well. So you put it on low cut level, you blend it like this. You blend it like this. See what I'm doing? Can you see it? After you have blended it like this, finish. Still put it under your what? Step 1. You carry it backward. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? Hope you are learning something from this video. After you have gotten the shape, you remove your step 1, leave it under normal low cut blade. You blend the mouth. See what I'm doing? Can you see it? You turn your hand anywhere that you see that did not blend well, turn your hand. And make sure you're brushing the hair so that you see how it's going. So it's very, very simple. Can you see it? Can you see it? We have gotten it. So after that, then you trim the punk. You trim it. You trim it. We are done. You are good to go. Make sure you comb it. I combed it already. You can still comb it again. After that, you trim it. Can you see the way I'm trimming it? What the way my hand is moving? What the way my hand is moving, guys? So it's very, very simple. It's not hard. Some people think that 3 step is one kind difficult hairstyle. No, it's not hard. It's very, very simple. It's just that some persons don't know what 3 step is. Can you see it? You are good to go. So I will stop this video here. I don't want it to get too long. If not, I would have halved the hair, but I just want you to get the basis. That is why HUC is there for you, high universal cut, theory and practical, showing you in a way that you, even a newborn maybe will understand it. So if you are not part of us, you are not part of this family, you are really missing a lot because everything we do here is raw practical, raw tutorial. Do you understand? Can you see it? That is all. Very, very simple and short. So I love you guys. If you learn anything, if you benefit anything from this video, please make sure you like, comment, and share. Let other people benefit from it too. I love you. HTC will keep on showing you, giving you the tips, everything you need to know in this barbering industry. I'm here for you. All you need to do for me is whenever you see my video, share it. Let other people learn from me. Don't be stingy. If I'm stingy, I'll be sharing all these updates. Do you understand? And follow us for more. Go to my YouTube channel, subscribe, high universal cut, turn your notification bell on. My Facebook, the same thing. Follow, you will not regret. My TikTok, the same thing. Follow, you will not regret being part of this family. I love you. Anything you don't understand yet, please ask in the comment section. I will attend to you. Thank you guys. One love.